Ahlan, Ahmad here. Let's learn two ways to say yes in Egyptian Arabic. The first one is آه. آه. بجد. آه والله. بجد. آه والله. Seriously? Yes, I swear. By the way, this word can also be used to express pain. يا ظهري. Ouch, my back, or my back hurts. يا ظهري. A common phrase is منك. منك. This can be something like you're causing me pain or trouble, naughty one. This is what it means. A somewhat similar equivalent can be you snake in the grass. Another common phrase is yana. yana. It's a contraction of ya ana, which is like oh dear. The second way to say yes is أيوة. أيوة. هتروح؟ أيوة إن شاء الله. هتروح؟ أيوة إن شاء الله. Are you going? Yes, God willing. A common phrase is أيوة كده. أيوة كده. That's what I'm talking about. Something like that. That's when someone, for example, finally does something the way you wanted. Another common phrase is أيوة بقى, lucky you, or the informal let's go, when you admire something. أيوة بقى. And if you admire this video, subscribe to the channel. And there you have it, two ways to say yes and common phrases. Go to speakegyptianarabic.com to check out our classes. شكرا على المشاهدة. سلام.